Why me to go back to the patient? Hey, what's that about? From
sometimes waterfall now. Come on. I'm the first one we can organize and Mama many years Mama already. Come on. We Buama, you see how I did it. You say you sushi. You are here. These are things I was started from the one from he said. Okoba was a share. We say waterfall. I say, your mother blue. Come on. Maybe I'm not here. I believe some could be blue to each other or more. This year, no, see, I say cooking tampoon. I need to cook tampoon. Now, what shall we really put to talk in tampoon there now? Of this 150 baby, I'm saying down. Make sure I put on the drama when he said, you need to say, in Tapo Waterfalls, you are as he says, my moor, Diana, where I can see. So, also a bit true light on this particular waterfall. So, they are a bit mine and to make catch you, they are said, I'm on Canberra, no measure, your mind, and say, I was.
Oh, me say, some penny for them who do Russian government in it is here. House bed, second company, big, massive from Chilean, prepare pay. Why he and some penny for the say, no more human yasha. I have wet my account. And they always to know one room. Okay, so you see nothing ever for that with massive duty. Yes, you reaching up behind everything. And all of us are who will be here. Oh, so pocket and for tapo, so to say, home governments near creature. And then call upon Lake Madia, say, sometimes he's sitting young. I'm a mom watching young. Jenny, who are around Hannah, say, and you won't. It's me baha. Yeah, just a moon set, put my fear, and a mom's mama, I come. Now, the afternoon, I have a dream. I have a family now, I have a performance. When India, Mona, you would do any of our and no more bang back to me, and I mean, Sabia. Somewhere no high, get me a man as a ethnic. It's me, Hamai, Sabia, a dumb bit me a good baby, Gary. I do many young say, I need to be a hundred had come on my main fan say, or say, it's a dying be an answer tab will be crying from Pasabea, or be ban or bell one who baby. So, there were telling you who are turning when young people to reach my fact. So, when you're young, I buy a bit of the as a man, I will catch it, more western. I catch from say, I see any beer to say the word you. And for me now, support to the area, for me. Also, that's a habit to make you. I'm a habit to you. Maybe after having now a couple.
As part of the national celebration, the Western North being part of one of the regions in the country, we are here. So it is very necessary that we also organize an event like this to mark the day. So we identified this place that we know, Bonzain Waterfalls site, to be the venue for this. So a lot of people were doubting whether people will patronize it. But you can see for yourself, we have about 200 to 300 people who are here now, who are moved by the fact that we were coming down here to share chocolate, and there's something that they want to come and experience, that is a waterfall. So you can see it for yourself. People keep coming. It's really a very fun day, really a very interesting day. And we hope people will keep the spirit up so that any time people will be visiting this place for the community to make money, for the assembly to make money, and for any other stakeholder that is identified to also get his fair share of the revenue that is accumulated here. We are just about a year in the region, so we heard of few places that we've been to. They have their peculiar challenges. But then this one stands out. Bonzain Waterfalls site stands out. I mean, we don't need so much to make it start attracting people. So we have started with the formation of a tourism development committee for the traditional area, including identifiable stakeholders from the district assembly level to the community level to our office. So we are on. But we want to use this medium to communicate to the general public within the Western North region that anybody who has anything that is worth considering for tourism development to call on our office for us to come in to support in its development. Before today, most of us are not aware that there's something fantastic here. So our message across is that there's something so amazing, there's something so fantastic, there's something so relaxing that we need to kind of come and see. You come and see it, you have to experience it, you can talk about it more to others. That is what I have. Don't go far to Kentampo to go and look for a fall. There's a fall here that you need to also come and then yes. Something that is very unique and special about this fall is that when you get here after trekking to this place, you are going to climb a small mountain, which is also another experience. You hike to the top of the fall, which has about 3 levels. The second level and the third level. When you get to the second level, you have something to do there. When you go to the third level, you have something to do there. When you are at the base of it, you have something to do. That is what is unique about Bonzain Falls.
Waterfalls in there, no. Now, for that, kind by a mini or to Mr. Frame penny for a bump penny for. Say obestrom or no tuka hakra until you come or the baha until and say Waterfalls pasopa until a band down on some no quaint me yet on one on ye na and ya buying fast war and ye Bonzain mining fast one ye Yabo so this and fast war until Yamia dum a month for any so paying for by 81 among na mum yeah manager say I do must say this are buying and our somu ma aye ya my that we are abo nso afia bom and sha bonumo if you so in a grabon so answer na from and this are buying and figure a team na nkora for jolly mu na e kama they say I obey Waterfalls here miensa step 1 step 2 step 3. These are buying now what Miabua now I hear Amayan.
And in fact, I come because I'm maybe a term 2018 2019. Yeah, my member to call you personal DC. Now I had nearby. Now, COVID, and a back can do from a banker says social guard union stop on I didn't call from. But now, yes, I started on who say I am on the He said, because say, do one auntie say a sample gem. And no for that in Kada room. My mum paying for swatting. Near Nam Quanam paying for it. When I was saying he at the Court Parliament 2020, 2020, Emma would discussing what some Tinam pay for share. Is that we are Western Hyena?
Western and Western of Ina, but we didn't be here. And I tourism should be Cabra or Mino. It's a bank since you know in a year. A bemo man so I want to know. Nama Bonzain Waterfalls so I am to my F. Tourism between the actual country, I break on any part.